Hello everyone. Today, going forward, we will be talking about another development domain, which is the cognitive domain. We will talk about how cognitive skills can be achieved and what exactly is the cognitive development domain. The term cognitive development refers to the change in the growth or development of intellectual or mental abilities such as growth, thinking, and memory. It includes the acquisition and consolidation of knowledge. Cognitive skill development in children refers to thinking skill, memory, and understanding. Genetic makeup is responsible for cognitive skills. However, these skills can also be learned when we provide an environment to the children which is stimulating. These cognitive skills can also be increased by giving training to the children in the form of providing them puzzles or providing them an environment where they have to think or reason or come up with some solution. Young children tend to have a short attention span, but the ability to concentrate on one task increases with age. Short-term and long-term memory is also very poor in small children, but that also increases as the age increases. And thinking skill help children to understand their own capability to understand a situation and come up with a solution. Cognitive development is a set of intellectual abilities which, according to the researchers, are set for specific age group, and it is normal for an infant, kindergartner or preschooler. In other words, is the quantification or systematization of what a child can do of a particular age. Some examples of cognitive skills are attention and response, language learning, memory, thinking, information processing, problem solving, simple reasoning, understanding cause and effect, and pattern recognition. All these skills develop with age, but it is very important that a right environment is provided to the children so that these skills can be stimulated. Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget came up with a theory of cognitive development in the year 1952. According to Piaget, environment does not shape the child's behavior. Rather, children and adults actively seek to understand the environment and adapt to it. Piaget's theory is the most comprehensive theory of cognitive development in early years. The theory propagated that we can learn about children's intellectual from their incorrect answers as from their correct answers in a test paper. He described 4 distinctive stages in cognitive development: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete, and formal. Sensory motor stage is the stage between the age group of 0 to 2 years where the child is understanding himself or herself according to the environment. Pre-operational stage, this is the stage between age group of 2 to 7 years where the child needs more concrete physical situations. However, the children are not able to conceptualize abstractly. Concrete operational stage, this is the stage between 7 to 11 years. Children are able to conceptualize and understand abstractly, creating logical structures according to their experience physically. Formal operational stage, this is the stage from 11 to 15 years. The child's abstract thinking is similar to as of an adult. What are the benefits of cognitive learning? It promotes lifelong learning because it's a hands-on experience, and it promotes long-term learning because the children are able to understand the situation and react to it appropriately. It develops problem-solving skills. When we are talking about cognitive skills, it enhances when we are using puzzles like this, and hence problem-solving skill develops in the children. Cognitive learning helps students to comprehend things more easily and hence understand the situation and act accordingly. With deeper comprehension comes lot of confidence in children because they are able to understand the situation, also react to them appropriately. They become more confident in life. Improves memory. A deeper understanding of a particular topic or a concept also helps them increase their long-term memory. Instills a love of learning. If you are able to understand the concept and work towards getting to know it more and more, it also instills a love of learning. We are able to understand the situation, try to find answers or solution to some problems. Hence, we become lifelong learners. It also emphasizes innovation because cognitive learning actually promotes innovation in a way that you are trying to find solution to problems on your own. So it actually emphasizes to enhance the innovation in a person. Children improves their ability to focus, think more clearly, and understand the situation as they age. Cognitive skills allows children to understand the relationship between ideas, improve their analytical skills. Why an early focus of cognitive skills is crucial? Some young children might have some development delays, and if we are able to understand the children, observe them in early stages only, we can address the problems associated to early learning in a much early stage. And this can also prevent the children from struggling later in life. Also, in a fast developing competitive world, early cognitive skill development is very crucial for a child. So it is very important for parents and facilitators to foster cognitive development as early as possible. So there can be few things which can be done by parents and facilitators which can increase cognitive learning in children. Some of them are: talk to your child even before the child is born. If the mother regularly talks to the child, when the child comes in the world, it becomes easier for the child to understand the language and learn that language much faster. Help your child understand or name the objects. Always use the object names while talking to the child, even when they are very small, and it will help them relate to the things more clearly. Studies have shown that talking to children boosts their brain power, helps them learn language faster. Let your children explore and observe. Children are very curious and they always want to explore, and this is a natural tendency of every child for learning. As parents and facilitators, we should be able to provide them a protective environment where they are able to easily explore and nurture their curiosity. Sing or read to your child, because singing and reading has a very soothing effect on early learning. So singing and reading at a particular time, maybe at night, would really help your child boost the critical cognitive skill development. Expose your children to books and puzzles. That would also increase their reasoning and learning abilities. Also, take your children to places like museums or parks or outdoor activities so that they can explore more other than their home and can develop the cognitive skills. Answer your child's question. As your child grows up and starts asking questions, always answer the questions patiently and accurately. Also, when the child is growing up, come up with topics and ask them questions about the environment, about the things, objects, so that they get to think and answer those questions and learn accordingly. Also, we should be able to provide the children with choices, and we should ask them or prompt them to make decisions on their own. That is also a very good way of getting to learn or enhancing their cognitive skills. For example, if we have a new puzzle and you want to ask the child to solve that puzzle, it might take time, but it will help him solve the puzzle on his own and learn a lot. Research has shown that there is a strong connection between the development of a child in the early years and the success they will achieve later in the life. So we have to start early for all these early development domains. We have to make sure that we provide them enough opportunity to learn and grow and stimulate their brains. With this note, I'm signing off for today. If you have any queries related to development domains, please feel free to question us or click on the link or call on the number below for more information. Thank you.